All right, we are here at the Doubletree Alana in Honolulu, and we actually got here last night, but we got here at about 1 a.m. so I did not do my video because I wanted to show you in sunlight. And then we went out hiking today, or kind of doing some stuff, so I look horrible. But we're back here and I'm doing this video. So they did upgrade us. We didn't actually get a penthouse. We actually got a corner unit and they upgraded us to this. That was the first time I've ever been in a penthouse. So they have a microwave, coffee, which is pretty nice, and they do have a refrigerator, because so much here is seafood. It's kind of important. Come over here. Desk area, kind of big. Again, we got here last night, so a little bit messy, but that's okay. Little seating area. You have the bed and here. We're gonna go, I'll show you the bathroom in a second, but I wanted to show you this lanai area, which is really cool. It's kind of huge. And then we do have an ocean view, which is out here, which is pretty nice, but you can really see just like all of Honolulu from here. And no matter what room you're in, even if you're not in a penthouse, you can kind of see like most all the floors are gonna have at least some sort of view, some sort of ocean view. You can kind of see the ocean over here also. We're not the tallest building, not by far. We are on the 19th floor, and I think that most of these penthouses are on the 19th floor. All right, so here's the bathroom here. You see, it's a nice closet. They never really give you enough hangers, but at least it's a nice closet. Pretty big ironing board. There's a safe. And then again, kind of messy, but that's okay. The random thing about this is that there is a bathtub in here. The bathtub has a full shower, but then there's also a full shower. I recommend this one because this one's really slippery, but just so you know, there is a really nice big full bathroom in here and here. So I've absolutely had apartments that were smaller than this room, so it's pretty nice. If you are headed to Hawaii, I know everybody likes to stay at that Hilton downtown, but this Doubletree, definitely do not disregard it because it is nice. They have been amazing to us. It's a great location within walking to everything in Honolulu, and we're pretty happy. Oh, 2 7-Elevens right across the street randomly. So if you are looking for that, also definitely a great place to stay here in Honolulu. We are down here at this food truck place right across from kitty corner from our hotel. Everything was closed right now except for the breakfast place and the coffee place. So got some delicious breakfast. I got a quesadilla, that beautiful burger. So there's a lot of these places all over the place. Just if you just need something to eat. We were gonna get breakfast at our hotel, but it was like $30 a person. So we just decided to come over here and do this instead. And really great options when you're here.